Indian Premier League IPL 2025 Rajasthan Royals team full and final squad. Number 1 Sanju Samson, captain. Number 2 Rian Farag. Number 3 Simron Hetmeyer. Number 4 Dhruv Jorel. Number 5 Yashasvi Jaiswal. Number 6 Akash Madhwal. Number 7 Mahesh Theekshana. Number 8 Wanindu Hasaranga. Number 9 Jofra Archer. Number 10 Nitish Rana. Number 11 Fazal Haq Farooqi. Number 12 Yudhbir Singh. Number 13 Shubham Dubey. Number 14 Tushar Deshpande. Number 15 Kewena Mafakha. Number 16 Kumar Kartikeya. Number 17 Ashok Sharma. Number 18 Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Number 19 Kunal Singh Rathore. Number 20 Sandeep Sharma. So viewers, who is your favorite player of this list? You can let us know by commenting. Thank you so much for watching this video.